Car Story research indicates this vehicle as a good deal and loaded with features. Features also include keyless entry, parking assist system, leather seats, MP3, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, stop by and take a look at the 2013 Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, power passenger seat, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, air conditioning, home link garage door opener, power steering, cruise control, aluminum wheels, FWD. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.